fun. I wish I had a bigger bedroom to show you guys, but starting up close, I think this shirt is super cute tucked in. It's really, really soft and comfortable. These shorts are a size 29. I honestly thought I was like a 30, 31, but they fit and they are stretchy and super cute. I definitely did need a pair of white shorts for summer, and then I paired them with the Adidas, which I'll show you guys a close-up of. So this is just a really casual, super cute and comfy outfit. And I do like that the shorts are high-waisted. I'm a high-waisted type of girl. This is outfit number one. Of course, you could also just wear it untucked, but I think with a pair of high-waisted, it does look a little bit more cute tucked in. Okay, and then quick moment for the shoes. I am an Adidas girly. I'm an Adidas ride or die. These are so comfortable to me, and you cannot go wrong with a pair of just all white sneakers. There is a little splash of color on the back. On the heel, the Adidas is like a neutrally light pink tan color. You can wear these casual. I wear white sneakers like going out to the bar. You definitely need a white pair staple. Okay, next outfit is the same top and shoes but different bottom. So here's two different options for you. One is giving teacher, corporate girly wear to work. And here are the second option of pants. This really pretty like purpley grayish color. They're also high-waisted. These are also a size 29. They actually fit really comfortably and they're soft. Soft, comfortable, stretchy, high-waisted. We love it. So here's option one. And these are ankle pants. So they come like right above your ankles. Okay, option one is, you know, casual, going to work, teacher. Let me show you option two. Option two is you want to maybe show a little bit more skin, you know, it's summertime, maybe like a cute bar, daytime brunch type moment, is that you can take this and tie it. I love crop tops, but it's good to have like regular size t-shirts for events and things that don't call for showing your stomach. But I think it's really cute if you take this and just tie a little knot on the side like this, and then kind of like roll up the back, and you can tie it however like high or low you want. Do you remember back in like middle school, junior high, we used to do this? I think it's still super cute. So option number two is if you want to like have a little more of a crop top moment, you can do that. Super cute. And then one more outfit and then I'll go through all the different pair of earrings. Last outfit is a bright yellow maxi dress. So let's start from the top. The sleeves look like this. It has a super high neckline, so if you're trying to dress more conservatively or maybe wear this to work, it definitely is not showing anything. And then the back has a little tie up top, and let's look at the bottom. So it's super like flowy and ruffly. For reference, I'm 5'9", and the dress comes basically down to my ankles. It's also lined, so it's not see-through at all because it does have a lining underneath. Honestly, it's kind of like a really cute teacher dress. I would wear this to work as a teacher. It's also kind of giving like European summer vacation. It's just super bright and flowy. I also envision the photo shoots with this. Like this would be super cute with like a picnic. What is it called? Like a cottage core vibe. That's what this dress is giving to me. So lastly, I'm gonna try on. I have 4 different pair of earrings. I got 4 pairs of earrings. One is from Kendra Scott, which is a Texas-based brand. I have always loved Kendra Scott. The other one is from a brand that I actually haven't tried yet called Very. So let's do the Kendra Scott ones first. These are dangly and super cute. It's kind of hard to catch on camera, but there's like little specks of color. They're really pastel, like purple, green, light blue. Super cute earrings. I'm usually a gold person, so I wanted to switch it up, and these are perfect for a little silver moment. Okay, let's get into these ones. This first one is definitely perfect for summer. These ones I can definitely see myself wearing to the beach. These next ones are super cool and they're kind of like a soft material. Don't know how to describe it. A little tail moment. These last ones are like a cheetah leopard pattern. I love hoops. I'm a sucker for hoops. Oh, these ones would actually go really cute with the yellow dress. So those are all the earrings that I got. If you want to check out any of the items that I showed you, all the information and links will be down below. If you want to check out Stitch Fix and get your own personalized style, all that info will also be down below. There's women, kids, men clothes. There's brands like Free People, Adidas, Madewell, Kendra Scott, and tons of other brands. They will send you 5 stylized items custom to you. If you don't like them, you can always return them or exchange them. I am so excited for the summer and all of my new outfits and jewelry. These are gonna ride or die with me all summer long. I love these and everything that I received. If you have any questions, comment down below, and thank you Stitch Fix for sending me these clothes. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!